Okay. So yes, Krisha, how do you make sure that you are correct in maths?
My mother gives me sample papers so I get practice.
Okay.
She gives me
No, that's fine. But how you are confirmed that the answer is correct? Do you ask her, is this the answer?
I
Or you
recheck
check
the
with the
question.
calculator, or you check at the back of the page, compare with the answer, or you know I am correct?
I first recheck the question, and if I even think it's wrong, then I ask my mother.
Correct. So that means you always ask, is this answer correct? This is what you do.
Yes.
That means even if you are correct, you are not sure.
Sometimes I am.
Sometimes. Yes, it's not every time. When it is a simple question, you are sure, but when it is not a simple one, you always ask her, you compare with her answer. You want to ask her so that you are correct. Right. Now, why happens? In exam, do you have your mother with me or with you? Do you have your teacher with you? Do you have the calculator with you? Do you have the answer key with you? So how do you check there? Tell me.
With any tricks to solve the question correctly?
How do you do? It's okay. Don't worry. What is your thought process? I just want to understand that. How do you think?
I solve the same question 3 or 4 times and check and compare the answer. If they all are different, I again solve it and
so that means you are repeating.
Yes.
Got my answer? See, now I'll tell you one thing. For example, I ask you this question, 26 plus 24. This is 50.
Yes.
Right? Can you check this answer?
Yes.
How?
First we'll add 20 plus 20, which is 40. And then we'll add 6 plus 4, which is 10. And then we'll add 40 plus 10.
This is you have done in fair work. Correct. Now, whenever you were having maths exam, you were given a rough sheet.
Yes.
Remember? And the teacher says, check your answers. Verify your answers. So how do you verify?
So whatever whatever I in the shortcut form, whatever I do, I write it like 20 plus 20, like 20 plus 20 equals to 40, and then 6 plus 4 equals to 10, and then 20 plus 20 plus 10 equals to 40 plus 10 equals to 50.
Very good. But this is not checking. You are correct, 100% correct. I don't deny this fact. And this was just a sample question. Maybe questions are very big enough. Let it be. The question comes. Now, do we have that much of time? 400 plus 300 plus 400 plus. No. See, that was a simple question. You answered correct. Yes, of course, you are good at that. Why I am asking you this question again and again? There is a reason behind it. The reason is in maths, we are never taught how to check the answers. We are never taught. What you are doing is redo. Now, let's say, for example, 26 plus 24 is 50, correct? But let's say you wrote in fair work 50, but when you recalculated by mistake, you did 51, or you calculated in fair this and here also, or 51 50, or 50 50. So that means 3 times you are wrong and only 1 time you are correct. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is a problem of redoing, attempting. So that means our reattempt is not correct way. Questions cannot be every time very simple. It can be difficult. Now you are in class 5th. 5th means you should know how to be correct every time, because you have to give Olympiads, you have to give NTSC, you have to give competitive exams. So will you devote so much of time in checking the answers, in redoing?
No.
Okay, what all have you covered till now? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, what?
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fraction, data handling.
Okay, I'll ask you one simple question
Fraction.
first. I'll ask you one simple question first. And why I am asking you, just to understand. Yes, Trithim, are you able to understand English? Trithim, इंग्लिश समझ आ रहा है?
बोलो बोलो हाँ बोलो बोलो हाँ सर बोलो हाँ सर हाँ
मैम छोड़ दो थोड़ी
हाँ
देर।
सर
एक दिन
नहीं
एक दिन नहीं समझ आएगा, कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ दो। अगर ऐसे साथ बैठोगे तो नहीं करा होगा उसको, वो सुनेगा ही
मम्मा,
नहीं। एक दिन छोड़ दो, कोई बात नहीं, कल से देख लेना, आप समझ आ जाएगा। यू हैव टू गिव टाइम। ओके, नाउ I'm asking one simple question just to understand how you do. Very small question I'll ask you, but that will clear your entire things.
Sorry, sir,
You know multiplication?
yes.
Okay, very simple question I'll ask. 3-digit multiplication you have done?
Yes.
See, first I am understanding what all you know. Then we'll start. Don't worry. Right. For example, the question is 739. I don't want answer. So don't worry at all. I just want how you attempt. This is a question. Plus, 4 options are given.
Okay.
I don't want the answer again. I'm repeating. So don't focus on writing or doing anything. I just want to know how you attempt. That's all. I don't want any kind of answer. So this is a question and 4 options are given. Correct. This is called as MCQs, which you will be covering in Olympiads, NTSC, all competitive exams, because 5th standard means exams. How will you attempt this?
We will multiply the number and check which answer it is.
Okay. Now give me one simple answer. If the teacher wanted, the question paper setter wanted you to solve, why will they give you 4 options? They'll simply put a blank. So they could have done this simply. Why giving 4 options then?
We need to choose one of them.
So
We need
why
to solve.
again? If it was to solve, why to give 4 options? Are you understanding my point? So that means your approach is wrong. We never have to solve these questions. It is just look at it and answer it. So that you will be getting from Vedic maths. Right. Okay. First, let me tell you what is Vedic maths. Do you know anything about Vedic maths? Yes. Tirthav, anything you know about Vedic maths? You received the
No.
book 5 days back, 10 days back. What is Vedic maths? Tell me. Yes, Krishna. Do you know anything about Vedic maths?
It's a quick way to solve sums.
Mm-hmm. What else?
And it's a easy way to check your answer in in speed
How?
with some tricks.
Everything you say with some tricks. Do you know any trick?
No.
Then why do you say tricks? There is nothing called trick. Vedic maths itself is magic. It is a way to solve everything easily. So Vedic maths makes math easy, simple, and faster. Got it? Simple, easy, and faster. Got the point? So
Yes.
in one word, if I say, you will realize, today only you will realize how faster. In one word, if I say, it makes your mathematics magical. Right. Now, why do I say? Okay. Suppose I give you any question. Can you do it mentally or you need a paper and pen?
We need a paper and a pen.
So
Some
then
difficult.
why God gave us this brain?
For easy questions, we can do it in our mind.
I'll give you one very correct example. Ask your mama, how many phone numbers do they remember? So today, we hardly remember 3, 4, 5 numbers. And sometimes even 1 or 2 only. Yes, Priyanka, how many phone numbers do you remember?
There are only two numbers.
2
Me
numbers.
and my husband. And
And-
three numbers. And
and-
my home number.
And 10 years before, when you were not having mobile number, how many numbers did you remember?
Yes, sir.
When we had landline phones, at that time we used to remember so many numbers.
So many numbers. Yes,
So
sir.
why it happened? It happened because we stopped thinking. We stopped observing. We stopped remembering. We stopped recalling ourselves. It's not our brain has gone dead. So same is with the kids. Same is with you, Krishna and Tej Shri. That we don't do mathematics with our brain. We use paper and pen for everything. So that needs to be understood. Maths can be done mentally very easily. Today, I'll give you one small concept with which you will see how fast you will be doing. Now, we'll start with the first thing. Why we feel fear of maths? Because we lack in confidence. We don't have confidence. And why we lack confidence? Because we are not sure. We are not sure whether we are correct or not. Right. That is the reason we ask our parents, our teachers, we compare with the answer key, we check with the calculator, then we are confirmed, yes, I am correct. But before that, we are not. So today, we will learn a way with which entire maths can be done by yourself. You don't need a calculator, you don't need an answer key. If you see the book, nowhere written this answer keys. Nowhere I have given. So that concept is called as digit sum. Now, what is digit sum? If you understand the name, if you break the name, digit sum means sum of digits of a number. Correct. Sum of digits of a number. Which number? Now, numbers can also be different. You can have a single digit number. You can have 2-digit number. You can have 3-digit number, and so on. So you need to understand everything. Let's talk about first single digit numbers. So single digit numbers are 1, 2, 3, up to 9. So first point, digit sum is sum of digits of a number. That is the definition. Right. You can write this. Write down definition. Digit sum. It is a sum of digits of a number.
Done. Done.
Yes. Yes. Beta,
Written. Now, what are say? Single digit number. Now, how in single digit number there is only one number. So what is the digit sum? It is also same. 1, 2, 3, up to 9. Right. See, if it is only having a 1 digit, so total is also 1 na. So second point is digit sum is always single digit number. बात नहीं कीजिए मैम, पहले मैं आपको अलाउ कर रहा हूं, इसका मतलब गप्पे नहीं चलेंगे. Between 1 to 9. Now, why I said this? See, If it is a two-digit number, let's say 11. If I ask you what is the digit sum of 11? So this is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Got it? Digit sum, because digit sum says sum of the digits. Here there are two digits. If I ask you what is 13? So 1 plus 3, 4. If I say 18, you'll say 1 plus 8, 9. But if I ask you what is 19, so that is 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. No, 10 is not digit sum. No. Again, you have to reduce 1 plus 0, 1. That is why I said digit sum is always single digit number between 1 to 9. Got it? So, one more example. If I say 39, so 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 12 means again 1 plus 2, that is 3. Right? If I say 99, that is 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. That means 9. If I say 189, see now 3-digit number I am including. I'll give you time to write. First understand and ask me questions. So 1 plus 8 plus 9, that is 18. 18 means further 9. Right? If I say 234, so 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. So remember, digit sum is always a single digit number. Write down these examples with this definition. Done? Write down these examples. 189, example 234. Written.
Last.
Fast, fast.
Done.
Now. So understood. We just have to simply add the numbers and make it a single digit number. So got the conclusion. Add up till you get a single digit number. It should always be between 1 to 9. Now, why we are doing this? See, today I'll start make you think from brain. So that you know, that would be the first step of understanding through your brain without actually doing. And tomorrow you will be learning how to check your answers. Because in exam, there is no teacher, no mother, no calculator, so there you should be confident. And once you are confident, you will never be wrong in maths. All your answers would be correct. And second topic would be how to do MCQs fast. Today you were not in a correct way to solve the MCQ. because nobody taught you. In school, we are not taught on MCQs. We're just given you have to select. But how to select? So that is more important. Got it? Now, answer me. Now, I'll give you questions you have to answer.
Okay.
Yes, Tirthav, did you understand?
बोलो yes. बोलो. Yes.
So give me this answer. 184. What is the digit sum?
Sir, I need to do it.
Tell me answer verbally. Such small calculation you don't know. Yet you also tell me. 184. What is the digit sum?
4.
198. What is the digit sum?
9.
208. What is the digit sum?
1.
19219. What is the digit sum?
3.
2345. What is the digit sum?
दिख रहा है आपको. दिख रहा है.
5. 5.
1681. What is the digit sum?
7.
2887. What is the digit sum?
7.
Sure.
Yes.
So, good. 23452.
Um, 7.
19865.
1.
See, you can do without paper and pen. No? So why do you use? After 10 minutes, I'll make you more faster. I'll tell you what is the trick behind it. Till now, I have not given you. I'll give you just now. Last. 24654.
3.
Yes, Tirthav, did you understand anything? Okay. So, Priyanka, you can later tell him.
Yes, sir.
Now, see, this we were calculating, we were adding. But do we have so much of a time? No. Now, again, observe. What is digit sum of 19?
1.
What is digit sum of 89?
8.
You took so much, you took at least 5 seconds to think. And I'll make you not even take 5 seconds. I'll tell you what is the idea behind it. 399. What is the digit sum?
3.
456. What is the digit sum?
6.
721. What is the digit sum?
1.
Now close your eyes. Think in 19, if 9 is not there, what is the answer?
1.
In 89, if 9 is not there, what is the answer?
8.
In 399, if both 9s are gone, what is the answer?
3.
4, 5, 6. So in 4 and 5, they are 9 only. If they are removed, what is the answer?
6.
7, 2, 1. 7 and 2 are making 9. If you ignore that, what is the answer?
1.
Now open the eyes. See. Same answers or not? See, understand. Whenever you have 9, I ignored, then also I was having one answer. So why should I add 1 plus 9, 10 and then 1? 89, 8 and 9, 17, then 8. Instead of that, ignore, finish. 4, 5, 6. 4 and 5 make 9. Ignore it. Answer is 6. 3, 9, 9. Ignore both 9s. 3 is the answer. 7, 2. 7, 2 is again 9. But this does not mean if I'll give you number 9, don't say removed 0. No. I ignored 9 to make calculations easy. Not deleted, not removed. So if it is 9, 9 is the digit sum. I told you initially, single digit numbers. If it is 99, we are ignoring 1 9. 9 is again the answer. We are not ignoring both lines. At least one we are keeping. 5, 4, 7, 2, 1. Now, if you visualize 5 and 4 is 9, 7 and 2 is 9, answer is 1. And what you do? 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, then plus 1. So 18, 18 means 1 plus 9, 9. So this is how, got the idea? Now we'll do more again. Now you see your speed will increase because you know the concept. Sorry.
But sir, if there is a bigger number and 3 numbers make up 9, then it will be same.
Why not? See now. 6, 3 gone, 9 gone, 11. So 11 means 2. Finish. See, even if it is 3, 3, 1, this is 9, na?
Yes.
Otherwise also you are adding, na? So let it be 3 or let it be 4 make. Let's say 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is 10. What do you say? 1 and 0. Okay, in between if I had 1, so I would have said directly 2. Got it? Don't, because addition means you can add any numbers, anywhere. Now point is clear?
Yes.
So understand before taking test. So this, when you are ignoring 9, digit sum is also called as. So why I asked you to close your eyes so that you start visualizing. See, from today you have to visualize numbers. You have to think about numbers. And then see, within 3 to 4 days, your maths will be very perfect. Every time you will observe numbers. Right? So digit sum is also called as Nava Shesh. Nava means 9, Shesh means remaining. Right? So Nava Shesh is the another name for digit sum. It is also called as Bij Ank. Bijank. And third name given to this is got these? Digital root. So
Digital
4
root.
names are given to this concept. You can write down the names. All the different names you can write down.
Done.
Now we'll make it fast. We'll see how much improvement is there in us, right? So, digit sum of 89.
8.
Got it. So we don't have to add 8 plus 7, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 means 8. No, 8. 91.
1.
919.
1.
Got it. So what you are getting benefit? See, what is Vedic maths? It's not cramming, it's not tricks. It is visualization. It is reasoning. It is logics. VRL. Our parents always complain we are not able to focus. We are not able to concentrate. We are not paying attention in class. Yes, this is a common complaint your teacher makes. But have they ever taught how to focus? How to pay attention? How to... Now, this is the simplest way. Observation. Because you are now observing the numbers. So slowly and steadily from observing the numbers to observing anything happens. And the benefit is there, na? Earlier you were doing 8 plus 9, 17, then you were getting 8. Now you just ignored and you got it. So why you ignored? Because you were able to focus, you were able to pay attention, you were able to concentrate, you were able to observe. So visualization, reasoning, and logic, these are the 3 factors behind Vedic maths. We don't need paper and pen, we just need our brain with us. And if we use our brain, then everything can happen. Otherwise, we... Got it. Another. One, 0, 8, 9. Now what is there?
0.
1089 is? Did I
One.
told you any 0 digit sum? I said 1 to 9. And then what about 9? I gave you the explanation.
Answer is 9.
So how 1089 you gave 0? I told you don't ignore both the 9s. In case of 99, I told you ignoring 1, it is 9, not 0. So same 1089, how can it be 0? Did you understand? 3, 6, 5. What is the sum?
5.
And now?
9.
So why not 0 now? Got it? So digit sum can never be 0. It is always between 1 to 9. Always a single digit number. Right. 9, 9, 1, 9, 9. What is the digit sum?
1.
Now, got it. See, if you have to understand the example, table of 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Every time you will be getting 9 only. Add it. Add the numbers. You're getting 9 only. So multiples of 9 will also give you 9 only, na? Here there are 4. So 9 fours are 36 plus 1, 37. 37 means 10. 10 means 1. So instead of going that long way, ignored 1. See, this is how you need understand the learning process. Right. One more. 3, 6, 5. 3, 6, 5, 4.
Answer 9.
Got it. And if it is 8,
Answer 8.
now clear?
Yes.
Yes, Tirtha. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it. So one more. Six, 3, 9, 7, 2, 1.
Answer 1.
Got it. So all works from here, your visualization, your mind. If you are able to focus, now what you learned today is focusing. See, earlier we were never focusing on the numbers. We were not visualizing. We are not observing. We are busy writing. Ma'am wrote on the blackboard, we started copying without understanding what is that. The answer was in front of you. Only approach changed. So Vedic maths will change your... See, what is Vedic maths? It is a journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence. So first, I made your speed small. But tomorrow when you'll be able to be, when you'll be correct every time, then no looking back. Being correct every time means you'll gain confidence. Second, it gives you the feeling of, yes, I can do it. If somebody has this feeling, nobody can stop them, no? If you think I can do something, can anyone stop you? No. That's the thing. Got it? And the third, ability to think in a different way. So we used to do in a different way. Now we got that ability to think in a different way. So we will not redo everything. We'll verify it. Because verifying will be fast enough. And we'll be able to reach our target much easier. Any questions now you have? I'll share you.
How,
Sorry?
how will this help in checking the questions?
Today practice this much. This is very important. First, practice this fast. Tomorrow we'll start with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Anything you talk about, everything, and MCQs also. We will do it. But first, your speed should be fast. Na? First, you should be able to do this very fast. I don't need to add 6 plus 3 plus 9. No, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 plus 2, 27, 27 plus 1, 28. No, I am using my brain. All are being cut and one is the answer. Why to go? Why to waste time in adding and making it 28? That is the ability to think in a different way. Yes, your question will be answered. I told you initially only that tomorrow we'll be learning that. The first step was able to focus, concentrate. So every day has a different unique concept. And so I'll be teaching here. Then in the book, first day lecture is there, then worksheet is there. Worksheet means what you have to do at home. Then you will be submitting in the same group, this WhatsApp group. Then second class, then worksheet. Third day, third worksheet. So every day, today you don't have the book, I'll just send you the day 1 class also and day 1 worksheet also, so that you can see it. Right? Yes, any questions, Priyanka?
No, sir.
Clear, but homework usko karne dena, wo bhi karke, don't submit it yourself.
हाँ सर जरूर सर।
और 1-2 दिन के बाद आप छोड़ो उसको, धीरे धीरे ही बढ़ेगा ना, ऐसे तो क्लास में नहीं कर पाओगे, फिर स्कूल में भी मुश्किल आएगा।
हाँ सर।
राइट। हाँ, तो आई शेयर यू द वीडियो शॉर्टली। आपको वीडियो भी आएगा, और अभी आई एम शेयरिंग इन द ग्रुप ओनली day 1, राइट कृषा?
ओके सर।
ओके।
ओके सर।
And video after 1 hour, right?